Air Marshal Commodore retired Simon Bere is died. He was 66. Zarabina Marshal Brian Hutchins Air Commodore retired Simon Bere dies. People subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipida Munahom Zimbai Anubuda Ajnora Chiti. The Air Force of Zimbabwe AFZ confirmed his death in a statement, expressing profound sadness at the loss. AFZ Public Relations Officer Wing Commander Donovan Moroyewa said the organization was deeply affected by the death of one of its respected former leaders, noting that the entire Air Force fraternity was grieving. Air Commodore Bere was born in 1959 in Rungwe, Mashonaland West. He attended Chiroti and Matau primary schools before putting his education at Ascot High School in Gweru. Driven by the inequalities of colonial rule, he joined the liberation struggle in 1979 and underwent military training in Mozambique at the Tongogara Assembly Point. During the war, he contributed in the education sector, helping to guide and support fellow fighters while also rising to leadership roles such as detachment commander and political commissar. After Zimbabwe attained independence, he joined the Air Force of Zimbabwe in 1981 as an aircraftman, the most junior rank in the non-commissioned cadet. Through years of dedicated service, he steadily climbed the ranks, eventually attaining the rank of Air Commodore and holding several senior positions within both the AFZ and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. He officially retired from active duty in 2024, ending a military career that spanned over 40 years. Although he remained involved in the national service in other roles, mourners have gathered at Plot 6 Ansadale farm in Karoi to pay their respects. He is survived by his wife, Regina, and the 3 children, Chengetai, Takudzo, and Tendai. Details regarding his burial will be shared in due course. To my developments, I report in the comment section. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.